Hello, good afternoon. It's again the end of the day after a long day. Today we are on our, I think, fifth week. The deck, big progress, and the wall have been installed that encloses the master bathroom and master walk-in closet. If we walk outside, it feels really nice to just walk at the same level with the deck, and that makes you the feeling that you are including the outdoors with the indoors, and it's an extension of your living space. I don't like when you have to step down for a deck or step up for a deck. I like when it's flush. It makes the living space way bigger. The plumbing in the kitchen is now installed. That's the ventilation for the sink. That's the sink drain and hot and cold water. Those are our 6-inch candle lights that will light up the working space on the kitchen. That is essential for food preparation. So we're walking now back to the living room, and that wall that you see right there where we remove the fireplace is going to be an accent wall where we're going to center the new electrical fireplace, and it's going to be a focal point either from coming from the bedrooms or coming from the main entry door. Did you see? I like
There's dry rot in there.
we're down. Oh yeah, I see it. But we have all the connections now for the washer and dryer. I really like it. Did they find more dry rot here?
Just here and a little bit in the kitchen, but that's it.
And you know why there? Because that was a shower.
That's what he said. It wasn't sealed right.
Yeah. Okay, I'm running out of light. But we have steps now getting to our side entrance from the kitchen. They're framing the opening where the fireplace was. And well, we have these doors, as I explained in the past. So dark. Sorry, so dark. We have, okay, again, they're framing. We're gonna have the new fireplace centered on this wall right there. Installed the door, we already went over that. The deck, let's see if they fixed it. Was a section in the corner that we were kind of concerned. Oh, they fixed it. Look, they finished this section. So they cut over here. So you see all the boards came here, and then we had this little kind of intersection that it was weird. And I see that they modify it. They move. Looks perfectly nice. They did a good job. We were concerned the last time with the client. And then we have here the steps. Now we can step down. By code, we're gonna have a concrete slab here, 3 feet. But we have something better. We're gonna do landscape all over here. Then we have the edges of the wood, all this. Nice. Let's go and see if the garage door is installed. Looks so nice and clean. They do a good job. They're really clean. I like that they clean up after themselves. Not all of the contractors are clean. Okay. Sorry, it's so dark, but here we are. The laundry area, they found moisture. There was mold here, so they replaced all these. They fixed the mold. Now we have all the area where the stackable washer and dryer will be. There's going to be a second laundry up in the garage, so she's gonna have double laundry. They installed a new window we're gonna have here, and this is gonna be completely brand new tile. And we have in the bedroom, they're going fast. We have this big wall that we had to make a double wall. You see here, we have the original, and then we had a second one in order to keep this inside the wall. Otherwise, we needed to move this, and we don't want to move this. We're just losing probably 4 inches or 3 inches, no, 4 inches of wall, but we're not moving that. So that stays and remains there. And here we are at this is gonna be the dressing or walk-in closet. In reality, I had something different. I'm gonna show you what I had. When you were coming in here, let's see if you can see. You were coming in here, I had a wall, one door that way and another door that way. I'll show you my blueprint. And I had a wall here. My idea was to have right here, a focal point with a nice art light, wall light. And my idea was to have art, since she loves Moroccan art. That was we were envisioning there, but then I was not in town on Monday. They decided to remove that wall and leave it open. So now it's gonna be kind of an eyesore. I had a meeting with my client that now she's gonna open, and the first thing they're gonna see is all her private closet. So you open and then you will see your jeans, your dresses, shoes. There is no privacy anymore, and there is no focal point. So practically in this hall, you have one door at the end, and now you have another door. But she's gonna order a carved door from Morocco, so I think. And so that will offset the fact that she's gonna have. Ah, looks nice. Look at this. New wood. Wow, they're going fast. I should have come earlier. It's so dark. Bummer, but I'm gonna come back later tomorrow in the morning and take a better video. So this is where the concept is of the aisle. On one side, I have a door, existing door, that I can do anything with that because it will remain. So on the opposite side, I wanted to end that aisle with a focal point. And on each side was the entrance to the bathroom and to the dressing room. But now we were gonna have a nice accent carved door to offset the fact that we're not gonna have a focal point now.